Welcome to today's review on the KAKIGO Electric Tricycle for adults, a versatile, fun, and reliable ride designed for comfort and performance. This tricycle is genuinely impressive, combining innovative engineering. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this electric tricycle at the best price in the market. The KAKIGO e-trike features a peak 1350W rear motor that delivers strong, consistent power with a rear differential system, allowing smooth turns, better traction, and stable handling on streets, hills, or even uneven terrains, making it ideal for adult riders seeking both strength and control in a three-wheeled vehicle. Paired with a UL 2272 certified 48V 15.6Ah removable lithium battery, it offers an impressive range of 80 to 90 miles in pedal assist mode, with advanced safety features including overcharge, short circuit, and overheating protection, plus an IPX5 waterproof rating for worry-free outdoor riding in various weather conditions. The all-terrain 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires on aluminum alloy rims ensure excellent grip and stability across pavements, gravel, sand, or even light snow, while the triple hydraulic disc brake system, including a parking brake, guarantees precise stopping power and enhanced safety for all types of riders. Comfort is a priority with the KAKIGO trike, as its adjustable wide seat with a curved backrest distributes weight evenly, reducing fatigue during longer rides. And the 7-speed gears combined with a 5-level pedal assist system allows smooth, customizable riding for both leisurely cruises and more energetic trips. Storage has been thoughtfully designed, with front and rear baskets plus a reinforced rear rack capable of supporting up to 440 pounds, making it perfect for groceries, personal cargo, or commuting essentials. The foldable step-through aluminum frame simplifies mounting and dismounting, especially for seniors, while the compact foldable design makes storing the tricycle in apartments, garages, or vehicle trunks effortless. Assembly is straightforward as the tricycle arrives 90% pre-assembled with clear tools, a user manual, and step-by-step video instructions, ensuring a fast and stress-free setup. Additionally, KAKIGO provides a 1-year warranty along with lifetime technical support and 24/7 assistance from US-based customer service, offering peace of mind that help is always available if needed. On the downside, the e-trike's top speed is factory limited to 20 miles per hour, which might feel slightly slow for those accustomed to faster electric bikes, and its larger frame can take a bit of space during storage, but these minor compromises are far outweighed by its powerful motor, long-range battery, all-terrain capability, comfort, and cargo capacity. Overall, this tricycle is an excellent choice for adults who want a safe, reliable, and versatile electric vehicle for commuting, errands, or recreational riding. With its combination of power, comfort, storage, and foldability, the KAKIGO Electric Tricycle stands out as a high-quality investment for anyone looking to enhance mobility while enjoying a smooth and enjoyable ride. Don't miss out on experiencing its unique features firsthand. Check the link in the description below to grab this incredible electric tricycle at the best price. And enjoy the convenience, safety, and fun that comes with riding a KAKIGO e-trike every day.